In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to QuickBooks. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. If you already have access to your Monday.com workspace and you know which billing or invoice board you want to use, this process should only take a few moments. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign into your Monday.com account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. That will help you avoid setting up the integration in the wrong place and save time later. Once you're inside Monday.com, go to the billing or invoice board you actively use. This is important because integrations in Monday.com are often board specific, so you want to begin from the exact board where your billing or invoice information is managed. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct board before moving on. When you're on that board, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the Integrations button. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board to other tools and services. If you haven't used integrations before, this area is essentially the control center for automations and third-party connections that can help streamline your workflow. After the integrations panel opens, use the search bar to look for QuickBooks in the app marketplace. Type in QuickBooks clearly, then select it from the results when it appears. Choosing the correct app here matters, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the official QuickBooks integration option shown inside Monday.com. At this stage, you've successfully reached the QuickBooks integration from your Monday.com invoice or billing board, which is exactly where you need to be to continue setting things up. If the app does not appear right away, try checking your spelling in the search field or give the marketplace a moment to load fully before searching again. A helpful tip before you continue beyond this point is to make sure your invoice data in Monday.com is organized clearly. Clean board structure and accurate columns can make any future integration setup much smoother and reduce confusion once data starts syncing between platforms. And that's it for this part of the process. You've opened Chrome, signed into Monday.com, navigated to your active billing or invoice board, opened the integrations area, and found QuickBooks in the app marketplace. From here, you'll be ready for the next stage of the connection setup.